Good morning. Looks like I'm going to have a nice sunny day today. I spent a pretty nice, comfortable night in the tent. When you're camping, you always hear some rustling in the bushes, and it's usually some little critter. So just as I was falling asleep, I heard some rustling. So I flashed the light out to see what little critter was there. And this time, of course, it was a bear. About 20 feet away, but just a little baby bear. And so then I'm thinking, it's a baby bear. Where's Mama Bear? But that was it. It must have just been a juvenile that's just out on its own and wandered away. Luckily, didn't come investigate. And I've got a few more things to pack up. And then I've got about 300K to get to the border. This afternoon, we'll hit Idaho. Let's hit the road. Off we go. I have that stupid inReach. I don't know why everything I have never works. GoPro doesn't work. That stupid inReach. I'm out in the middle of nowhere with clear skies, and all night long it didn't send its message. It just kept saying, poor GPS strength. Coming up to the border crossing.
What's the BDR?
The Idaho BDR, their back dirt road. Whoa, shit. So there you go. Yeah. Alright.
Go the other way.
Well, you took the class, that's good.
There we go. There's embarrassing.
Alcohol or tobacco?
No.
Ever been arrested?
No.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you, sir.
Drive safe, don't tip the bike.
Usually happens when I stopped. Well, that's embarrassing for sure. Try a little 360 action. It's more reliable than the GoPro, but all this bouncing around, I'm sure it'll get bounced right off. I hit one bump. One bump I hit. And what happens? Box goes flying off. Hopefully it's not broken off, for Christ's sake. No. Seriously. Well, it's back on. Hopefully it stays that way. One stupid bump. Well, that's good. Started me off easy with a couple of easy pickups. One at the border, one here. Definitely for my next trip like this, I'm going to get some soft ones. So it's 20 to 4 and I came upon this spot to camp, but I think I'm going to drive another 40K to this other spot. This one doesn't have a picnic table. The other one probably doesn't either, but I can get an hour's driving in, be around 5, which is my goal for the most days, will be to ride till around 5. Now, the other one was a pretty good logging road. Now I'm in a rougher road, for sure. Anything worse than this, and I might be in trouble. case in point. Okay, one more tight switchback and then shows a bit of a straight shot, so hopefully the road improves. Fuck's sakes. Hopefully that's the worst of it. 35k, I know the end of that will be, at least some of it, probably paved or regular dirt. And hopefully no more sand like that. So the road's super washed out, so I have to go through a creek bed and then up a steep pitch, and I know that's not going to happen. After all these disasters, make it back this last little section to get back to the more main road. Maybe I will just camp at that spot. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck's sakes! Not a bad little spot I got. Apparently there's a lake just a little bit down here, so I think I'm gonna go and do a quick jump in because I am quite disgusting after having to lift the bike 50 times. I don't think the bike is any worse for wear, or some more dents and scuffs in the boxes. But tomorrow morning I'll have to do a bit of backtracking, and then we'll continue on down the road. But go for a swim, have some dinner, and then that'll be it. It'll be time for bed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is Lower Roman Nose Lake.